The much-awaited High School Living Certificate (Hslce) examination results for the year 2024 were officially declared today at the conference hall of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Bosem. The declaration program was graced by Gyan Prakash IAS, Commissioner of Education, Government of Manipur. In a significant achievement, the year 2024 has witnessed the highest pass percentage in the last decade. A remarkable 93.03% of students successfully cleared the Hslce examination, reflecting the hard work and dedication of both students and educators. This year's examination results mark a historic moment for Bosem. Altogether, 37,715 students were enrolled for the examination, in which 37,547 appeared the examination and 34,931 passed in the Hslce examination. For the first time, the board has adopted a grading system replacing the conventional marks-based evaluation. This transition was made possible with the approval of the government. Commissioner Gyan Prakash congratulated the successful candidates and emphasized the importance of continuous improvement in the education system. He also expressed gratitude to the teachers, parents and all stakeholders who contributed to the students' success. The Hslce examination 2024 results are now available online on the official Bosem website, where students can access their individual scores and detailed grade reports. In the examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Technopole district has emerged as the top performing district with a pass percentage of 99.65%, following closely behind Thoubal district secure the second highest position with a pass percentage of 99.04%. Kukching secured the third highest Thoubal highest position with a pass percentage of 97.58%.
Grading system is a new thing for us. It's the first time in the state, and grading system has been adopted in many advanced exams. And why grading system is good is we are thinking of students who are 15 years, little bit here and there. So these are very young minds. They should not be under too much pressure of, let's say, leaving out 1 mark, a mistake of 2 marks. They should not feel undue pressure of that, because this is not going to change their lives. See, our grading system is like this. It's not that students are not given marks. Students are given marks. Their total has been graded. So, person who has got 95 or 97 and a person who has been unlucky because his teacher gave half mark less in 2-3 places, got 95. Even that person will be ranked as A1. So, that way it is good for the students and good for the exams.
Enrollment of the student 37,715 and appear students 37,547 and pass candidate 34,931 and a pass percentage in overall 93.03, and then among these main candidates appear 18,995, pass candidate 17,678, the pass percentage 93.07. Among the female candidate altogether 18,552 appear, and then pass 17,253 and pass percentage 93%. Regarding the schools, categories of school, from the government school, appear students 9,037 and pass 7,622, pass percentage 94.34. From the added school, 1,308 has been appear, and then pass candidate 1,213. The pass percentage is 92.7%. And from the private school, altogether 27,202 appear, and then out of these 26,096 pass, and the pass percentage is 95.993, and total percentage is 93.03. Thus, this is the increase from the last, that means the previous year.